Route 18, Miller University Part 2. The second part of the loop from Mott Hospital, leaving the stand. I'm going to continue on East Medical Drive. We're going to make a right at Observatory. To the stop. Go around. Note stop. Ahead is the Cardiovascular Center for the U of M Hospital. Come around the roundabout. We're now on Ann. We want to make a left at the traffic light. The traffic light is Xena Pitcher. Stop approaching. At the stop sign, we want to make a right turn onto East Huron. Making our right turn onto East Huron. Continuing through Glen. We're going to stay on Huron for a little bit. North Quad, Central Campus is on the left side. Please adhere to all Ann Arbor crosswalk rules. Stop approaching. Whenever there's a pedestrian in a marked crosswalk, such as this one, we must yield the right of way. Continuing on Huron. Stop approaching. We're going to make our turn on Ashley for the sake of the video. That is the normal route. However, there is some construction going on at Ashley, and sometimes you may be routed to make a right turn on 4th via the detour until that construction is finished. Please make certain to check your detour routes every day when you come in for your piece of work. At the stoplight, we're at North Division. Crossing Division. Stop approaching. On the right is the Ann Arbor City Hall, the Municipal Center. Approaching 5th. Fourth. Passing Main. That's another stop approaching. Make our right turn on Ashley. Again, check your detour to make certain that you're not turning on 4th Street. It's a very tight turn. Making a left on Miller Road. Stop approaching. From this point, we will stay on Miller Road all the way to the Miller Road parking lot. You want to check your run sheet, however, to make certain. If you have a Forsyth Middle School, you will make your right turn onto Newport. I'll point that out. And if you have a Skyline school run, you're going to make a right turn on Maple. I'll point that out to you. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. You will be sharing this trip towards Miller Park and Ride with the 12A, this portion of Miller. Here at Brooks, this is a time point at the traffic light, 7th Street. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Approaching Newport. Again, if you have a Forsyth Middle School run, you're making a right turn here. Service that school down Newport. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Coming up to Miller and Maple. This is a time point. As you can remember from the start of our video on the first part, on part 1, we did the Huron school trip. Huron is to the right down North Maple. You would simply do that Skyline school trip in reverse order that we did from the first part of the video, making that right turn on Maple. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Make a left turn just as you pass the overpass. Make a right turn and pull to the stop. We have reached the Miller parking ride. This is the end of the 18 Miller University. Please make certain that you check your manifest and make certain that you are doing the proper routing for the proper scheduling and for the proper schools.